Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 3-bed, 2-bath townhouse for sale in Churchill. Churchill is at the corner of Malibongwe Drive and Escort Avenue in North Riding. The townhouse has a double automated garage, space for 2 appliances in the kitchen. It's been tiled throughout. We also have a patio with a built-in braai area. So I'm pretty excited to show this one to you, so come on right in and have a look. Welcome to this 3-bed, 2-bath townhouse with an automated garage. Upon entry, welcomed by this dark wood kitchen. It has space for a breakfast bar, an extractor, a stove, an under-counter oven, and space for 2 kitchen appliances with a double sink, as well as a pantry with a space for a double door fridge. The open plan design leads to your lounge. The garage takes you directly into the house, and the lounge leads out to this covered patio with a built-in braai area, making it perfect for you to entertain guests. The patio also leads out to the pet-friendly garden. Let's head back into the house. So all the bedrooms have laminated flooring. This is the first bedroom, currently being used for the kids, which also has built-in cupboard space. Next is the shared bathroom. It's fitted with a shower, a bathtub, a loo, and a vanity basin. This is the second bedroom, fitted with laminated flooring and built-in cupboards. It is currently used as a work-from-home office space. And this is the master suite with built-in cupboards, also with laminated flooring and an in-suite bathroom. The in-suite bathroom has a shower as well as a vanity basin. The dark wood theme is throughout the house in all the built-in cupboards, in the bathrooms, the kitchen, and the doors. The main bedroom is a good space where you can fit a king-sized bed. Finally, we have the pet-friendly garden. This is a perfect starter home filled with a lot of potential. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is a 3-bed, 2-bath townhouse for sale in North Riding. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing, just click on the link below.